Welcome to the course on SEO and SEO Audit Essentials. Let me now provide you with the course overview, that is the topic of coverage in this course. This is a unique course. It covers about SEO plus how to perform the SEO audit as well using free tools. So we'll start off with what is an SEO. Then we look at how these search engines work. We'll take Google as such because that's the most popular search engine. Then we'll get into digital marketing and SEO. These days, internet is the focus for any business, and any business will opt for digital marketing. So once you get into digital marketing, you use a website, then search engine optimizations become critical. So we'll look at digital marketing just in brief, and then SEO as well, how they complement with each other. Then we look at search engine optimization with SEM, search engine marketing as well. What is the difference? What are the similarities? We look at that. Then we get into types of SEO. This is from the SEO perspective. Then we also have another one, the SEO technique from a user perspective. That is the white hat, black hat, which is supposed to be illegal, and gray hat. We look at that. Then on the type of SEO, that is from the SEO perspective, we look at what is a technical SEO, and then what is a on-page SEO, the off-page SEO. We'll get into the details of all this. That is the technical SEO, on-page SEO, and off-page SEO. What are the critical parameter? What you need to, as a consultant or a owner of a website or as a digital marketing consultant, what you need to focus on. We'll look at in this of all this in these three SEOs. That is the technical SEO, the on-page SEO, and off-page SEO. And then we'll briefly look at, we'll not get into the details, but we'll look at Google algorithms in SEO. What are the various algorithms used, and links in SEO? Because if you have good links, which are called the juicy links, the more links you have, your page will be ranked higher, and your website will appear at a topper or at the top of the page in the search engine results page. So links, we look at different links in SEO. And finally, once you have all the understanding on the SEO, we look at SEO audit. This is really essential, assuming the website is already developed. And where do you start? If it is a new website, then it is fine, you take care of understanding all the concepts like the technical on-page, off-page SEO, that's fine. But if the website is already developed using, say for example, WordPress, what you need to do, you can't debugging, getting into the logging into the web server and trying to analyze requires technical skills, and it's a long drawn process. So the first step is do an SEO audit. Again, if it is a manual audit, again, that is where getting into it and checking is going to take a longer time. So that's where you can use the SEO audit tools. There are freely available, even online tools are available. I'll be presenting few tools, so you can use the tools and perform the audit, check your website, and then based on the result, then you can go back into get into the maybe the WordPress website and just see that what can be changed so as to satisfy and make it positive, so that the search engine is able to you are doing something which ensures that the search engine takes your page and displays in the search engine result page, so that your website is ranked higher compared with your competitors. So that's about the course. And additionally, just to check your knowledge, I have provided with quiz sections across the course. So do take the quiz as well to test your knowledge. And if at any point of time you have queries, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you and cheers.